Welcome to Research Rock. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a GoPro Hero 13. I'm purchasing this product local power electronics store, and this product price is 3,449 Danish krona as a $523. Now we will do unboxing and let's see how exactly look like the GoPro Hero 13. I personally purchase here local. Is a much impressive packaging. So inside the box, look at this here. What we receive here is the GoPro 3 Endura batteries, charging adapter. You can charge at a time 2 battery, 2 power cables, and memory card also 64 GB. Unboxing, as an unboxing point of view, I just simply cut the wrapper. This is our product. Inside the box, here is some magic booklet. So here is the memory card, 64 GB. But I personally don't use this memory card. Here, as usual, we are receiving some sticker for different colors. Your magic booklet, how you use the adapter related information. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Of course, you can download the application. I will show you the entire setup as well. Here is our product. Perfect. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Here is the one stand, so you can fix like this. Then here battery 1, then here battery 2, then here battery 3. So 3 battery we are receiving for this price. So look at this here. This is the GoPro charging adapter. You can charge here at a time 2 batteries. It's really impressive quality as well. C-type charging cable, and here we receive 2 types of C to C charging cable as well. That's it. This is the box. If you connect here C-type charging cable, fix the battery, such a light is showing. It means the battery is not charging 100%. First dot. So you complete this 4 dots. 4 light is showing here if you see here properly. So yeah, I connect here. Now we just simply remove the sticker. Look at this. Here is our product. I just simply remove this one, this two, and this two as well. And I fix here one battery proper like this. And power on. Select the language, agree, GPS off, the speaker off. Now I just simply scan this QR code and install the application. Open the application. So meanwhile, you can see here as a guest, yes, yes, allow, connect with the GoPro, connect to the GoPro. So you can meanwhile see here the GoPro as well. So automatically recognize the GoPro as well here. So pairing is successfully done. Continue. Connect to your camera's Wi-Fi. Your iPhone asks you, okay, continue, accept, and almost is done. First of all, you need to update the software, update the installation process, because of the software update comes in this GoPro as well. Sometimes the GoPro is like 1 year old, available on the store. The update is going on day-to-day point of view. So first time you need to update and complete this installation process as well. Almost is completed. Wait couple of seconds. Keep your camera plug to the power. So front screen and back screen, we can connect here the power as well. So look at this here. Update is almost completed. If I click here, wide angle, I always do this one. So perfect. Update completed. If I say here, so it's easy. You can fix here, do the name as well if you want, make some name to your camera, but we can just simply skip it here. So setup is completed, and now you can eligible to record the camera as well. So this is the first footage of GoPro Hero 13 after purchasing this one, and this is the clarity. Upcoming days I travel firstly in Copenhagen to Norway in Flem. So I'm recording multiple videos using GoPro Hero 13. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.